Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you're probably wondering, is StormGain a real platform? Can you actually make money from this cryptocurrency trading platform? I'm going to review it and I'm going to show you how you can start making some free money from StormGain. What's the best way to do it? And the big question is how much can you really earn? And then I'm going to give you a couple of other suggestions where you can make way more money, okay? So first of all, StormGain right here is basically an all-in-one crypto platform with zero commissions, which is very, very cool. There are quite a few platforms like this right now on the internet. Another one is called Binance. Binance is probably one of the biggest, okay? But the cool thing about StormGain is you can actually start making money with them in a free way, which is really, really cool. That means you don't necessarily need to invest your own money. Now, I want to have a huge disclaimer about this, right? There are a lot of cryptocurrency platforms that are popping up like mushrooms right now. Some of them link themselves to MLM, and some of them are real platforms. A lot of them which are business opportunities end up being Ponzi schemes, so you just need to be careful, all right? But with StormGain, this is a completely legitimate trading platform. Now, the cool thing about StormGain is you can start with their crypto miner, okay? So all you need to do is you come to StormGain, you just log in, you create an account. It's very, very easy. It's like setting up an email address, and then you click on the miner on top, right? And this is probably what you've been checking out. So you can see here that at this basic level right now, this is actually going to mine free coins for me, over a 4-hour period, okay? Now, they have different levels, all right? So this is the thing, it's absolutely free, but you're not gonna be able to earn that much money, all right? So at the different levels, so for example, at this level, you can earn 50 cents USDT, okay, USDT per day. It's not that much money, right? So every 4 hours, right? Or if I just keep mining every 4 hours, you're gonna have to come back here and you're gonna have to press the button. You're basically going to be able to mine 50 cents per day. All right, now here's the problem, all right? You're not going to be able to withdraw that money straight away. So what happens is when you hit $10, okay, what you can do is you can withdraw this, but you have to withdraw it to the trading account. So you have to withdraw it up here to the StormGain trading account, all right? So this might take a little bit of time, right? Because it's only 50 cents per day, which means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's going to take you 20 days of free mining before I can withdraw $10. All right, so it's quite a long time, especially if you're just getting started. And then what's going to happen is after you withdraw the $10 of USDT into your trading account, you can then trade it on their platform because they're a real exchange, right? So what they're trying to do is they're trying to attract you to their platform. So yes, it is real money, it is free money, but again, it's very, very slow, okay? Now what happens is once I take that $10 from here that's been mined, all right, for free, okay, over a 20-day period, I can come here and take that $10 and I can trade it on their platform. I can buy Bitcoin, I can buy, Ethereum, I can buy, Cardano, I can buy Sol, I can buy pretty much, any crypto that I want, and any profit that you make, you can then withdraw that for real into real cash for yourself, if that makes sense. So that's how it works, okay? So essentially all it is StormGain is a very, very big crypto platform where you can buy crypto, you can trade crypto. They've got different types of derivatives, different types of products, and they have a very cool mining software that allows you to mine for free because this is kind of like their marketing tool, all right? They want to attract as many people to their platform as possible so that you not only mine for free, but they're hoping that you can then take your own money and invest it in their platform so that you can buy crypto, invest in it, and then make money over the long term, if that makes sense, okay? So this is kind of just a marketing tool. Now, it's real. You can really make real money from this, right? But just understand that it takes a lot of time. Now, there's different levels, right? So you've got the basic level, which is basically about 50 cents USDT per day, right? But when you get upgraded to the next level, you can make $1 USDT per day, okay? And then when you get to the next level, you can get $3 USDT per day. The next level, you can make 11 USDT per day. The next level, 36 USDT per day. The next level, 83. The next level, 512. This is the maximum, okay? But this is what you have to understand. In order for you to upgrade to the different levels, you have to do a certain amount of volume trades. You have to trade a lot before they allow you to upgrade to the next level. So I'll give you an example here, right? So if you don't do any trading, you're going to be at the most basic level, which is basically only allows you to earn 50 cents USDT per day, all right? Now at the next level of earning 1 USDT per day, you have to do a total of $150,000 in terms of trading volume. That means that you have to trade, buy and trade, buy and trade. Maybe you do like 100 trades and it might equate to 150,000, but it's still going to require you to do quite a lot of trading. So this is going to take time. You can't do this in like a couple of days. This is going to take weeks or even months. Okay, at the next level, you'll see here you need to do 750,000 in terms of trading, and before you move to the third level. Okay, and so on and so forth. So at the highest level, yes, you can potentially mine $512 a day for free, but you have to trade $75 million worth of volume, which is really, really hard to do. Okay, you're gonna have to spend like 15 hours a day sitting on this platform to do that, which is a lot of work. But even if you start off at the very, very basic level, this is free money. Now it's gonna take a long time, but it is free money. Okay, and another way that you can add more money on top of that is you can refer friends. So you can get a link here, and again, this is just a very smart way of StormGain doing their marketing so that they get more people to come onto their platform. Now, their goal isn't really to give away free USDT, okay? Their goal is to get the word out to the marketplace that these guys are a legitimate cryptocurrency trading platform, and the more people that they can get here, the more people that they're hoping will use their products, their tools, their trading, their exchanges, their wallets and stuff like that, so that you start buying through their platform and they can make commissions that way. Okay, so it's pretty cool. It's kind of like a win-win, all right? But the thing that you have to understand is you're not going to get rich doing this. Okay, so even though this is a free Bitcoin miner, it's absolutely 100% free. You have to understand that it's going to take a long time before you make any free money. You're gonna have to be on this website and let it run in the background for 20 days before you make $10. Okay, so you're not gonna get rich overnight, but it is free money, which is pretty cool. All right, so it just depends on what you want to do, right? So look, this is a 100% legitimate site. There are other crypto opportunities out there where they say, you put in money and for 10 days you're gonna double your money, you're gonna triple your money. That kind of stuff, a lot of the time they're not real, they're scams. Okay, but StormGain is a 100% free Bitcoin cryptocurrency trading platform. It just so happens that they have this free Bitcoin miner, which is basically a marketing tool to get you interested in their platform, for you to start mining for free. And you can see I'm actually mining coin right now. But again, at the different levels, you'll probably only get to 50 cents to $1 daily income. And then that's going to take you, again, at the next level, it's going to take you at least 10 days before you get $10. And at the basic level, it's going to take you 20 days before you get the $10, which you can then withdraw into your trading account, trade in real cryptocurrency, and then you can withdraw any of the profits that you make. Okay, so a pretty cool platform if you want to start making some money through cryptocurrency and investing this way, right? Another very, very cool website is Binance. But Binance requires you, again, to invest your own money in order to buy different cryptocurrency and invest and make a lot more money that way. I love cryptocurrency. I'm a big investor in cryptocurrency, but you got to do it right. Okay, you have to understand that this is a mid to long-term game. Unless you become a day trader for cryptocurrency, which is actually it's a very challenging skill. You have to learn that skill, okay? Now let me show you another couple of ways where you can start to make money. So this is one of the ways. You're not going to become rich overnight. This is going to take a bit of time. I mean, we're talking about 50 cents a day. It's really not that much money, although it is free. Here's another way to start making about $100 a month, okay? Which is also free. You can start to fill out online surveys. You can come to this website. It's called surveypolice.com. You can check this out, or you can check out their GPT sites where you get paid about 1 cent to 5 cents per click for every action that you take. So that's things like downloading offers, watching videos, doing mystery shopping, filling out surveys as well. This is some ways that you can start to make money for free online, but understand that it requires a lot of work too, and it's really not that much money. We're talking about $50 to $100 per month, maybe if you're maximizing filling out surveys 2 to 3 times a day. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now let me show you another way where you can make 20 to 30 times, sometimes even more than what you can do over the last couple of methods, right? So this is my PayPal account. This is one of the products that I sell online. You can see ClickMagic is a piece of software that I resell to people all over the world that want a tracking software. Look at the commissions that I'm making from this: $54, $71, $51, $58, $67, $110. This is real money coming into my account. Let me show you another product that I promote. This is a marketing training program. Check this out, right? 866, 754, 282, 188, 755. This is a big one here. 1,716. This is another big one here. $3,646 in commissions. And what I'm doing here is I'm actually selling real product to people all over the world, okay? So there are a couple of ways that you can do this. Now, obviously StormGain is a very cool platform. It's a cryptocurrency platform. If you have your own money, you can use your own money to invest and grow more money by buying real cryptocurrencies, or you can use their free miner, okay, and grow it a little bit slower over time, but it's free, and you can also refer your friends and start to make a little bit more money that way, all right? Or you can fill out surveys and GPT websites, or you can learn a real business where you're selling real product to real people all over the world and start to make much bigger commissions. This is how I've grown a multiple six-figure income by actually selling real products to people all over the world. And this is a real skill, okay? It's a much better skill. You're going to be able to earn money way quicker, but you're going to have to learn how to do this step by step, okay? So StormGain, very cool website. I do that on the side as well. I also buy cryptocurrency on the side, but in order to gain the big income, in order for you to make those investments make sense, it makes a lot more sense to learn a marketing skill, sell real product online, get money that way, and then rebuild your wealth using things like cryptocurrency and investing. I hope that makes sense. So if you would like to learn how to sell other people's products all over the internet, 100% online, 100% from home, I've got a free six-figure workshop that will show you how to do that. All you need to do, click the link directly below this video, or click the arrow on the right-hand side. On the next page, enter your best email address, and I look forward to seeing you on this workshop, and I hope you enjoyed this review of StormGain. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon.